Was that like a sick walrus?
Okay.
Okay, Christy, what are you going to do? Anything?
Okay. I don't think I can do anything.
Let's do Hans and Franz. I'm Hans.
And I'm Franz.
I'm with Tom. Whoops. Let's do that and we're getting cut. Ready?
Cut.
Set.
Take two.
I'm Hans.
And I'm Franz.
I'm with Pump. You up. Hit me now. Believe me later.
Come on, I can do something. I just can't. Daddy.
Why don't you do Kids on the Block?
I don't know how to do that.
Whoa. Whoa.
What do you think?
What are you doing, Tyler? The fireman.
No, yeah, I want to spin down the pole until they push me up.
Would you pick him up and slide him down the pole?
And you have to let go.
You ready? 1, 2,
Look out.
3. Camera, go.
Whoops. Nice, Ty.
Again, Julie.
One more time.
Then I have to go inside.
1, 2, 3.
Who can I do before we get...
We're the double sisters.
The double sisters.
We're connected at the waist.
Yeah, you're hurting me.
Must be hard in the bathroom.
What can I do? Julie, do that again. What do I know how to do? 1, 2, 3. Faster. Do that again, Julie. Julie, do that again, Julie. Julie,
What?
do that again.
Do what?
What do you do?
Puma,
No,
Puma.
that's up.
Oh.
No, that's enough.
No, do it again. This.
Don't break the
Break the birdie house.
I want to do this again.
We couldn't do Christy.
I don't know who it can do.
You used to do Pee Wee Herman.
Daddy, do that again, Dad.
Look,
Do
marvelous.
Robin Williams.
We're getting tape.
We're doing impressions. See ya.
Bye.